Hello students, I am Ajay Karmarkar. Before starting video, I would like to tell you something. Please sit with copy pen. If you find somewhere important, pause the video, note it and proceed on. If you find somewhere difficulty, then please write in comment box. I will definitely solve your problem. And along with, please like, share and subscribe my channel that can reach more and more students. Thank you once again.
Now here is a question. If speed of planet at apogee in terms of eccentricity E is A is semi-major axis of ellipse. Here we have given equation root k gm by 4a into bracket 1 minus e upon 1 plus e. Here we have to find out the value of k. Dear student, to solve this question we have using these four concepts. First, laws of conservation of angular momentum. Second, laws of conservation of energy. And third, concept of ellipse. And fourth, concept of perigee and apogee. Distance of the planet from the sun, closest distance, that is called is perigee, and furthest distance, that is called is apogee. Is it okay? So here, let us first we have to understand the concept of the ellipse. Here, the origin, is it okay, and the foci, that is AE, from the origin minus AE and plus AE. Actually here we have using the distance, so therefore we have to take a positive side. Okay, so this is AE positive, this is negative. If we have considered this distance, either foci or the position here or here, is it okay? This is the position of sun, and the closest distance, that is when orientation, when it comes to very close, that is called is perigee. And total distance from the origin, total distance from the axis, major axis, that is 2a, and semi major axis, that is a. Is it okay? So this distance a minus ae, so this is r1, a common 1 minus e. Okay, and same things here, total distance a plus a, so here r2, that is taken a plus ae, it means a 1 plus e. This is r2, this is apogee. Is it okay? So this distance, closest distance, that is perigee, and this is apogee. This distance, is it okay, from the position of the sun. I hope so this point is clear. Now here the orientation of the planet, suppose this is v2, this is v1, and this is r1, and this is r2. Is it okay? So by using laws of conservation of angular momentum, mv, here r1 sine this angle of perigee and velocity, that is 90, mv r2 sine, again this is also 90, tangent, so sine 90, that is 1, this is also 1. Mass of the planet, that is remains same, but here the velocity is change. Is it okay? So m also cancel, v1 r1 v2 r2, or it can be written as v1 is equal to v2 r2 by r1, because we have to find out speed of apogee. Is it okay? So this velocity of perigee convert into v2. So we have considered this is first equation. Now using laws of conservation of energy for the both conditions. So here for the energy of this perigee, that is half m v1 square plus potential energy. Potential energy minus g capital M small m. Capital M is the mass of the sun. Mass of the sun is capital M. Is it okay? And this distance is r1, is equal to 1 by 2 mv2 square minus g capital M small m and R2. Clear? So here we have using laws of conservation of energy. So all m cancel out. Here m, this m, this m, this m cancel out. Although taking common and cancel out. So here 1 by 2 V1 square. Here V1 can be written as V2 R2 by R1 whole square minus G capital M by R1 V2 square by 2 minus G capital M by R2. Now solve this equation. Here this Gm by R2 take to the left side, become positive. Gm R2 minus Gm R1 is equal to V2 square by 2 minus 1 by 2 V2 square, open the bracket, and squaring here R2 square and by R1 square. So Gm taken common, 1 by R2 minus 1 by R1. Here half V2 square get common, then 1 minus R2 square upon R1 square. So Gm take LCM R1 R2 R1 minus R2 1 by 2 V2 square taking LCM R1 square minus R2 square. Here 1 R1 cancel out. Then Gm, this R1 and this 2 taken to the left side in numerator, 2R1 upon R2. This is R1 minus R2 V2 square by using the identity a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so here this portion is cancel out. Gm to Gm R1 by R2 and this portion comes in denominator to the left side, R1 plus R2 is equal to V2 square. Now substitute this value of R1 and R2 this equation. So what is R1? A into 1 minus E. What is R2? A into 1 plus E. And again A into 1 minus E plus A into 1 plus E. Now V2 square, here this A and A cancel out, 2Gm 1 minus E. Here this A taken common, 1 minus E, 1 plus E, and this is again 1 plus E. Okay, so here E cancel out, then V2 square 2Gm 1 minus E, this is 1 plus 1 2A and 1 plus E. So here 2 cancel out. Then V2 can be written as root Gm 1 minus E by A 1 plus E. Okay, now compare of these given terms. So here we have to find out this value of K. So here K gm 1 minus e upon 4a 1 plus e, comparing these terms, gm 1 minus e, a into 1 plus e. Okay, so here all these terms is cancel out, this term cancel out, this term cancel out, then k by 4, that is 1, means k is equal to k by 4, that is 1, means k equal to 4. So here our answer, that is k equal to 4. Is it okay? I hope so you understood this question. Thank you.
Thank you for staying till the end of this video. Definitely, when you will become success, whole contribution goes to your hard work. But if my videos, my lectures, my questions will help in your success, I will consider myself lucky. Please like, share and subscribe my channel that can reach more and more students. Thank you once again. Take care. Bye bye.